Hi everyone, it's Joshua Schultz, and the purpose of this video is to give you a quick, brief overview of the Action Research Proposal Guidelines set up by WU's graduate office. So if you are in an MSED program, an MAT program, in which you have to construct an Action Research Proposal and get a committee and send that committee, your proposal rather, to the grad office for approval, etc., this video is for you. If you have another capstone in your program and you're such as instructional tech in which you are asked to write essays, this is not your video, okay? So I'll make another video for you a little bit later. So if you're doing a thesis, if you're doing action research or professional project, this is for you, okay? In the Western Oregon Thesis Manual, there are guidelines for this. It is available on This thesis manual is available to you on the graduate office website. And here we are on page, it's like page 20 and 21. So I'll unpack this just briefly for you, okay? So first section is introduction, 1 or 2 pages. You're going to tell us who you are, why you're doing this research, why is it important to you. Second part is your literature review. This isn't the whole literature review, of course. A literature review is going to go in the thesis or the actual research project, but this is going to be like a brief overview of what you found and what gaps you're noticing and how your research might contribute to those, filling those gaps. You've constructed a research question. How are you going to go about collecting data and analyzing the data? Your committee wants to be able to see clearly that you have a doable research question, a good timeline for collecting data and research, and that the data that you're collecting aligns well with that research question. How are you going to analyze it? What is your going to be, are they measurable? That's something that indicates quantitative, but you're looking at, specifically if you're doing action research, you're looking at qualitative data analysis. Okay, and then the last part of your action research proposal, or this proposal, is going to talk a little bit about what are the potential benefits to your students and to you as a teacher. Okay, so you've identified those gaps. How is your research going to, why does it matter? What's the big so what? Okay, so first draft comes to me. I help you construct it. Then it goes to your advisor and your committee members. If you're unsure of what your capstone requirements are, speak to your advisor, because he or she will clarify that for you. All right, so thank you very much, and thank you for listening.